Assalamualaikum, my name is Mashita Zainal and I will talk about the introduction. Education innovation continuously look for a new and distinctive teaching strategy that can reach to them more efficiently and engagingly. Students are encouraged to research, explore and use all of their resources to learn something new through the educational innovation. Different approaches to solve the challenge are part of the innovation process. As we know, traditional education nowadays are gradually being replaced by the digital learning. The digital education system will revolution the old chalk and board method of learning in the classroom, which also it has made learning more mobile, interactive and engaging, encouraging students to pursue and maintain their interest in the digital learning. We use the website to approach people and students to pique their curiosity in learning more about the technical support and maintenance for information agency, which mainly about the computer components. In our website, we provide games, video and materials that have details about this subject that can help users to enjoy and engage in the learning process. We know that computers are one of the tools that are becoming one of the most often utilized equipment among people nowadays. Because of the computer are being used daily, they have grown in importance in everyday life, and their rising utility has made computer education a need. However, education learning can occur on various electronic devices such as smartphones, laptops, and tablets. Students can now obtain the knowledge no matter where they are thanks to this advance of technology. With the advancement of technology, books are no longer a primary source of information for students. Instead, they prefer to use a quick and straightforward technique to gain the knowledge, which make digital learning is significantly more interactive and memorable than large textbook or one-side lecture. It also provides a better context, a greater sense of potential and more engaging activity than traditional education technique.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Jabar and I'm going to explain the statement of the problem. The poor performance of students in learning technical supports and maintenance for information agencies has been a thing of concern to their own education. The problem students face is they do lack interest in their current learning method that does not meet in line with the current technological developments. Next, it is that the students sometimes struggling right to finding the information they need in any platform such as website that they have visit, which is provide incomplete information that student can be confusing sometimes. Furthermore, limit access time of finding resources or learning can lose student interest in learning because timing or something is preventing them from learning over time. Lastly is difficulty in concentrating in physical class due to lack of knowledge in this subject is the biggest problem to students that trying to understand the subject requirement. Now we move to the solution explanation. In order to attract students in learning the subject of technical supports and maintenance for information agencies, there are actually so many problems that students are facing right now, especially with the current pandemic of COVID-19 that is still going on around the world. So the first problem is that since the world that we are living right now use and focus more to digital capabilities, most of the students slowly lose their interest in reading, especially when it comes to book reading. To be specific in this matter, students want an improvement in their process of learning, which means that they want a digital approach that it is in line with today's technology so that they will not be left behind. Besides that, the other problem might be because of the resources or interface of the other website that is not too interesting to see. and the information given is incomplete, and its authenticity is questionable. It makes students hesitant with the information that they are trying to convey. Not just that, this problem can cause students lose confidence in themselves because they keep asking themselves whether the information is correct or not. This also can lead them in difficulty when making decisions. It is because when you are confident with yourself, everything will going so smoothly as you wish. Furthermore, the other problem is there are some students who limited their time to learn something only during class hour. Their reason is because of their schedules are too packed in a day. When the schedules are too packed, it can cause them for not having enough time to write down the notes during the class hour. This problem will make it worse when they choose to procrastinate. If a student keeps procrastinating, they will become lazy to pay attention in class. Last but not least, the last problem that student is facing would be because of the lack of knowledge in the subject. As we all know, the subject of technical supports and maintenance for information agency is not an easy subject to understand. Most of the lecture in class are often too long for students. Listening straight without a break to a lecture in class will make students lose track. When the students have not gotten enough break between lectures, the class that they attend on that day will be ineffective.
Okay, my name is Development丨Imd, and I will explain about our website. Okay, now if you want to go to our website, you just scan the QR code and click or type the link that we have give. Okay, after you have scanned the QR code or you have clicked the link that you have give, the QR code and link will take you to our website. Okay, after you have scanned the QR code or you have clicked the link that you have give, the QR code and link will take you to our website. Okay, at our website, you have 8 pages, which is home, processor, motherboard, storage, memory, power supply, graphic card, and lastly is case. Okay, at home pages we have 2 sections, which is first the introduction about our website, and second is the comment section. At the comment section, you can give any comment about our website, or you can give any question by you just put your name, email address, and the question and the comment. Okay, for the next pages is processor. At the processor pages, we have the function of processor, the information of the processor, and the type of the processor that we can use. Okay, for the next pages is the motherboard. We have explained about the component at the motherboard, the function of the component at the motherboard. Okay, for the next pages is storage. We explain about the type of storage and the function. For the next pages is memory. Memory, we have talked about the RAM, the type of RAM, the function. After that, we at the pages of power supply, we explain about the function of power supply also, the type of the power supply that we can use. Okay, next is at the graphic card pages, we explain about the function. We also give type of graphic card, and lastly we have case pages. The case pages, we have the function of case, the function to every component at the computer that case can provide, and we also give the type of case that's suitable for us to use for gaming or for do a work. Okay, and that's all at our website. Our website give information that you can use, or the information that you need about the PC component. And I hope you can visit our website and just by scan the QR code or type the link that we have give. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.
Hi sir, my name is Nur Islimariam binti Razali and I will be presenting the explanation, the novelty and uniqueness of solution. So the first one is the online platform for learning. As we said before, during this pandemic, in order to attract student interest in studying, we have come up with one solution by creating a website where students, including people around the world, can get a brief and simple explanation about PC component like processor, motherboard, storage, memory, power supply, graphic card and the case. The second one is simple yet attractive. We tried to minimize with the design of the website and organize the topic to ensure the interface of website is not crowded with useless things and ensuring an easy information retrieval by user. With the white background used, this website looks neat than any other website we can find. If user access this website using laptop or PC, they get to see all the subtopic in the interface, and by clicking the subtopic, they will get more explanation. While accessing the website using mobile phone might be a little different, where user will see the interface and have to click the more button on the top right corner to see subtopic provided. The third one is anytime access. Learning during class hour puts students under pressure in understanding and catching up with the topic about PC component. So with the existence of this website, students can study back after class is over and take their time to process the information they receive during class by referring to explanation on the website. Some might need more time to understand, but no need to worry because they can access this website anytime and anywhere using mobile phone. Lastly is provide basic knowledge about PC component. For some people, studying PC component might be easy and some finds it difficult to understand when they lack of knowledge about this. That is why we are here, creating a website by providing basic knowledge about types of PC component and explanation of each of component. For example, motherboard or known as mainboard or logic board. When user read, they will get new information like they can find motherboard when opening up PC screen and it is the largest piece of silicon. This is actually a helpful information for those needed.
My name is Development binti Imd and I am from N5IN1104C and my metric number is 2019265338.
Is commercial potential. In creating our website, we focus on 4 commercial potential that can make our technology better for other people. The first one is person. Person is target audience that we target can visit our website, especially students that are currently learning in technical supports and maintenance for information agency, and for people who wants to add some new knowledge about this subject. This website can be a better education in learning new ways as we currently living in digitalization era. Moving on to setting. Setting is a place that we establish our websites and update current information about technical supports and maintenance for information agency in the internet that are widely used among other people in order to find some information from different kind of source. Next is cost. Cost is the price of our technology, which is free of charge for all people that they can easily access or use our information without worrying about the cost they need to cover to get the information. Lastly is push. In order to reach people to visit our website, we use prominent platforms such as Twitter, Instagram, Facebook and also YouTube to promote our website among other people so that we can attract them to visit to our website. We also use advertisement tool to make people more familiar with our website, that they can find the information about technical supports and maintenance for information agency in just one click.
Last but not least, in conclusion, nowadays we know technology is one of the crucial things because students often use it in digital learning. And because of today's society's lack of awareness of today's technology, people are unaware of the proper technology requirements. So website is one of the ideal places to learn more in depth about the technical support and maintenance for information agency. In order to attract more students to use our website, we have built a fun and appealing interface, and we also put more detailed information about the subject in our website. Compared to the traditional educational technique, it provides more better context, a higher sense of potential, and more exciting activities. Not only students can get benefit from our website, but also general public may use it to learn more about the subject, which also include about the information of the computer components. Students also can get more interested in learning more about this subject after visiting our website, because they will not be bored while studying it as they would when they just reading from the books. That's all for me. Thank you.